अगर आप ट्रम्प की ट्विटर टाइमलाइन उठाकर देखोगे तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि ट्रम्प नहीं उनके स्टेरॉइड बात कर रहे हैं। बट यू नो ही इज ट्रम्प, एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल। डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प, possibly the world's most powerful man, got infected with coronavirus. The same guy who downplayed the threat of this pandemic for a very long time got infected himself. Under his watch, the US became world's worst affected country with more than 7 million cases and over 200,000 deaths. इसके बाद भी he thinks that he's a superman, but possibly he's the super spreader of the disease. No one knows whether Trump has tested negative for coronavirus or not, लेकिन ये भाई साहब खुले आम घूम रहे हैं व्हाइट हाउस में बिना मास्क के। किसी को नहीं पता कि इनके सिम्टम्स कितने सीवियर थे, बट ही वॉज एडमिटेड इन हॉस्पिटल फॉर 3 nights and his oxygen levels dipped twice during the treatment. We all know that Trump and his supporters are not a very big fan of masks. For a very long time, Donald Trump pretended that COVID-19 won't do much in America. Then for a very long time, he said that it would be over soon. At the same time, he demanded country and schools to reopen quickly while engaging in a very useless debate over masks. फिर क्या था, कोविड-19 ने भी अपना जलवा दिखा दिया। No one is sure how exactly Donald Trump got this virus, but most reports point towards one event. On September 26th, more than 200 people attended this event at the White House Rose Garden, where President Donald Trump announced his nomination of Amy Coney Barrett to the US Supreme Court. If you notice, not a lot of people are wearing masks, and unsurprisingly, a lot of people who attended this event got COVID-19, including Trump and the First Lady. अगर आपको लगा होगा कि ट्रम्प शायद इसके बाद सुधर जाएंगे तो आप गलत हैं। He is Donald J. Trump. As soon as he returned to the White House, which by God reminded me of Shahrukh Khan from कभी खुशी कभी गम, he took off his mask quite literally. यानी इतना सब कुछ होने के बाद भी he refused to wear a mask. But what happened next was even more interesting. During his treatment, along with the antibody therapy, Trump was given steroids, including dexamethasone. One of the side effects of this steroid is maniac episodes. और अगर आप ट्रम्प की ट्विटर टाइमलाइन उठाकर देखोगे तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि ट्रम्प नहीं उनके स्टेरॉइड बात कर रहे हैं। But you know he is Trump. Anything is possible. On October 6th, in a video, he said this.
And I learned so much about coronavirus. And one thing that's for certain, don't let it dominate you. Don't be afraid of it.
Mr. President, there are more than 36 million cases of COVID-19 worldwide. More than 1 million people have died. In your own country, more than 7.5 million infections have been recorded. इसके बाद भी आपको ये सब कुछ मजाक लगता है? Are you serious? And then he compared coronavirus with flu. In his tweet, which is misleading by the way, he said, flu season is coming up. Many people every year, sometimes over 1 lakh, and despite the vaccine, die from the flu. Are we going to close down our country? No. We have learned to live with it, just like we are learning to live with COVID. In most population, far less lethal. This is false. According to CDC, between 12,000 to 61,000 people have died annually from influenza since 2010. And in just 8 months, America has lost over 2 lakh people from COVID-19. So please, do not listen to Trump. As an opinion piece in the New York Times pointed out, he thinks that he is a superman, but he is possibly the super spreader, not just of COVID-19, but of misinformation as well. मुझे तो लगा था कि ऐसे politicians खाली इंडिया में ही देखने को मिलते हैं, but I was probably wrong. What do you think about Donald Trump and his views on COVID-19 pandemic? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.